So, Danny, come here. Come here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Danny from Feel the Beat. And Danny's got a brand new toy here, okay? This is it's like a little selfie ring thing, all right? So, Chaser, get out here and let's y'all get the very first selfie together, okay? So let's turn this way. Everybody in the back, get your hands up. Get your hands up in the back there. Get your hands up. Now what'll happen is Danny's just going to work this room. This is his brand new toy, so we're just testing it out. So what he's going to do is he's going to walk around and selfie you, and then it's instantly sent to you, right? Is that right? It's instantly sent to you. So that way you have it, okay? So we are going to deploy Danny into the crowd, and we're just going to selfie the hell out of this audience. Matter of fact, yeah. Because let's get me and you. Let's get me and Dan. Feel good about that, yeah. I do. So,